3CX Windows desktop app, eliminating the need for the browser extension. Log into your web clients and install Windows desktop app. You can choose to keep your desktop app visible on the side of your screen, making it easily accessible whilst working. Easy to make audio and video calls to colleagues. Set your custom status message to let your team know where you are. Communicate with colleagues and customers through the chat function and share files. Start a video conference directly from the Windows desktop app. Schedule conference calls ahead of time. Receive notifications for missed calls. Keep track and manage your voicemail. The switchboard places extensions together, allowing you to quickly and efficiently manage calls. Try out these features today on the 3CX Windows desktop app.